Welcome back everyone to FLIX IT YOURSELF. Let me show you an issue that a lot of people have. You open up the door and it's going to eventually make a mark in the door. Found this on Amazon. Very easy to install. This you put on the door, on the wall, this you put on the door. Works like a magnet. Beautiful. And it works like this. You have to take off the backing from this double-sided tape. Put it on. It also has screws if you want, but you don't need to use screws. Now the same thing over here. When it comes to the wall, you go like this. Take off the backing. Like this. Now you take off the other backing. Like this. And you press it down. Guys, it takes literally 20 seconds to install. But look at this. It doesn't touch the wall anymore. It has a magnet. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's a couple of bucks. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful week.